Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a very volatile session yesterday. At the end of the day, it closed in the low point of the day, breaching 23,000 in the process, but finally managed to sustain and close about 23,000. With this, Nifty has been underperforming the world markets, and yesterday also it was no different. At one point, it looked as if it will see a breakout. Nifty went briefly about 23,400 spot, and if it would have given an early close about this, that would have been a breakout. But there was a sudden and a swift fall coming in towards 23,200, slightly below that. There was a bounce back where we gave a recommendation to buy Nifty. It achieved our targets of 23,400, and we were again waiting for a bounce to come in, a breakout to come in, but that did not happen. Rather, it went lower and kept on going lower, made a low of around 22,975, and witnessed a 30-40 points bounce back towards the end of trading session. More or less, it was a weak session. Broader markets were down more than 2%. Bank Nifty was also down some 800-900 points. So whatever it gained the day before was lost in yesterday's trading session. It is perplexing as to why Nifty is correcting, and there's no point in trying to find out the reason. What is more important is trying to find out the process to go forward. That comes in a zone where 22,850 is expected to be a good support area, something which we showed in the weekly report that Nifty is trading in a triangle pattern, and supports are seen at 22,850. From there, we can see a bounce back sort of coming in. On the other hand, we also showed that while Nifty was still inching above support area, Sensex was already down. It was giving a breakdown, and yesterday there was a time when it witnessed intense pressure also. Overall, the sentiments remain negative. FIs have sold 5,900 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 3,500 crores worth in cash. Though US markets have closed positive, around 60-70 pips higher, GIFT and Fitch is pointing towards only 25 points upside as we speak. So if there's no short covering as such, the point is that a move below 22,975 can push Nifty all the way towards 22,800, 22,850. Probably at that point, one can try to buy Nifty, keep a 50-60 point stop loss, play for a bounce back. But don't look to form bottoms here. It will take some time. Let us see how that pans out. That is it from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.